welcome back to our channel. So today in this video we are going to discuss about how to share Dropbox files securely. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So if you want to share your Dropbox file securely, then all you can do is simply go in dropbox.com. Once you're in your official website of Dropbox, you can simply get signed in into your account. So once you're signed in into your account, you can find the file or folder you want to share. Now, once you find the folder or the file, you can simply click the share icon that is right next to that particular file or folder. Once you tap on it, you can now enter the email address of the people you want to share the file with. After you have typed the email address of the people, you can select the permission level, like can edit or can view, and add a note if you like. Now click on the share file or share folder option and you're all set. You can also create a secure link to share your Dropbox file securely. So this way you can do it. I hope you found this video helpful. So don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with more informative videos. Thank you for watching.